Elevators keep the world moving, floor by floor, minute by minute. But when they stop, everything stops. Missed inspections, unexpected breakdowns, scattered service records, spare parts like cables, buffers, and control panels, tracked on WhatsApp groups and spreadsheets, that's a thing of the past. Introducing Froid, the next-generation digital solution for elevator service and maintenance. Seamlessly accessible on Android, iOS, and web. Next-gen features. Froid brings you cutting-edge tools built for the elevator industry. Speech-to-text for fast, hands-free reporting. QR code scanning to create service tickets instantly. AMC and warranty tracking. Never miss a contract renewal. Custom dashboards. Real-time insights at a glance. Standard features. Service tickets. Time tracking. Detailed PDF reports. Service and spares quotes. And more. Projects and sales. Planning a new elevator installation? Managing a large-scale modernization contract? Froid's built-in projects module lets you track every phase, from kickoff to handover. And with the sales module, manage your leads, follow-ups, and quotations, all in one place. Convert prospects into long-term service contracts effortlessly. Backed by a specialized team, always ready to support you. Froid, we keep your elevators moving.